Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Coal supply position at thermal power plants, transformative reform towards fast tracking interstate transmission system process, Ministry of Power released State Energy Efficiency Index 2020. Coming to the details. Coal supply to the power plants has indicated steady increase for the last many days. As per Central Electricity Authority report, the coal stock with power plants stood at 9.028 million tons as on 26 October 2021. With a daily increase in coal stock for the last 9 days, 5 days stock is available at the end of the thermal power plants. In around week's time, it is likely to reach 6 days buffer stock. Coal consumed on daily basis by the thermal power plants is replenished by coal companies. The overall coal supply from all the sources, Coal India Limited, Singareni Collieries, and captive mines to the power sector has been consistently more than 2.1 million ton per day for the last 1 week. As one more step in the series of major reforms being carried out in the power sector under the direction of Union Power Minister Sri R.K. Singh, Minister of Power has revised the terms of reference of National Committee on Transmission to fast track interstate transmission system planning and approval process. This will go a long way with further facilitating renewable energy development and integration in the power sector. As a part of the energy transition goal, India has set a target of 450 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity by 2030. Unlike conventional electricity generation, which has long gestation period, renewable energy generation needs about 18 months of time for commissioning, while transmission system needs 18 to 24 months for commissioning. Accordingly, the need for fast tracking the transmission planning and approval process was felt so as to minimize the mismatch between ISTS commissioning and renewable energy commissioning. Presently, all ISTS systems are approved by Ministry of Power based on the recommendations of NCT. To expedite approval of ISTS, Power to approve ISTS projects costing up to 500 crore rupees have been delegated. Now the proposal of expansion of ISTS up to 100 crore rupees will be approved by Central Transmission Utility, and the proposal costing between 100 crore rupees and 500 crore rupees will be approved by NCT. Ministry of Power will approve proposal costing more than 500 crore rupees. In the ISTS planning and approval process, there were two regional committees, namely Regional Power Committee and Regional Power Committee Transmission Planning, which had to be consulted separately, which delayed the process of planning and approval of ISTS. In order to avoid duplication in regional consultation and to reduce the time taken for planning process, Regional Power Committee Planning has been dissolved and term of reference of Regional Power Committee is being modified to facilitate regional consultation in ISTS planning and approval process. State Energy Efficiency Index 2020 has assessed the performance of 36 states and union territories in energy efficiency using 68 qualitative, quantitative, and outcome based indicators, aggregating to a maximum score of 100 across 6 sectors. State Energy Efficiency Index assesses the states in 4 categories: aspirant with a score below 30 points, contenders with a score in the range of 30 to 50, achievers with a score of 50 to 60, and front runners with above 60 points score. While Karnataka and Rajasthan emerged as front runners, AP along with 6 others in is some among the states that saw most improvement as in the achiever category. In State Energy Efficiency Index 2020, as many as 27 states and union territories improved their score compared to State Energy Efficiency Index 2019. Out of these 7 states, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu improved by more than 10 points. Additional news today: 90 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 106 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 7 days. CLP India has got a new corporate identity as Apraava Energy and aims to double its existing energy portfolio in the next 3 to 4 years. United Kingdom CDC invests $70 million in India's Green Growth Equity Fund. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 143.94 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 61 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 53 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 57 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 25 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 51 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day ahead market, 4.65 million units of volume cleared with weighted average price of 3 rupees 77 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.